In this video, I'll show you how to quickly add an admin to your LinkedIn business account. Let's get started. First, log into your LinkedIn account at linkedin.com/m/login. After logging in, go to the top left search bar and type the name of the person you want to add as an admin, for example, roadside admin. Once their profile appears, click the connect button to send a connection request. After they accept your request, go to your LinkedIn homepage, click the Me icon, and select your business page under the Manage section. On your business page, click Admin Tools and select Manage Admins. Now, in the search bar titled Add New Admin by Name, type the person's name, select it, and hit Save Changes. And that's it, you've successfully added an admin to your LinkedIn business page. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. For more tech videos like this, subscribe. Catch you later.